Hey guys, what's up? For today's video, I wanted to talk about one of my hobbies, stocks. One of my hobbies is actually investing in stocks, and right now I have a recommendation for you guys. So I want to talk about why I think this is a good company to invest in. For those of you who haven't heard, there's a company in Japan that makes clothes called Uniqlo. They're a clothing store in Uniqlo. They make clothes for just your everyday people, kind of like I don't know what's the company in America, like Old Navy, Old Navy or Target, something like that. But for me, one of the main reasons why I really like this company is that they sell clothes that fit, like they fit me, like people of my body type. So for me, when I'm shopping for clothes in the States, usually I try something on, maybe a shirt, and there's a lot of extra material in the waistline and also in the arms, and when I put it on, it's just very oversized, and I can never find anything that fits my body type well. But when I go to Uniqlo, they have tons of clothes that fit me well, and the fit, it's insanely good. You can probably see in the background I have some pants trying on over there on the wall. Those pants are actually made by Uniqlo, so I buy their products and I think they're great. So that's one of the main reasons why I want to get this stock. That's what got me interested in it in the first place. So the next thing that you need to do is take a look at their financial documents. So right now I'm at Morningstar.com. This is a site that lists financial data for the past, you can find the past 5 years for free. As you can see, this is from 2012 to 2016, so it has their data for the past 5 years. And also you can see that for this company, it's not listed as Uniqlo, it's listed as Fast Retailing Corporation. So that's because Uniqlo is actually owned by Fast Retailing. So you can't look up a stock just Uniqlo, it's just you have to look up Fast Retailing. But in essence, Fast Retailing is the same as Uniqlo. And you can see ADR. This just means that the company, even though it's a Japanese company, you can buy stocks for it in America. So that's all it means. It means stands for like American Deposit Repository or something like that. All it means is that it lets you buy foreign stocks in America, and their ticker symbol is FRCOY. So anyway, let's take a look at this thing. Right now we're looking at annual reports. Right now you can see right here, annual financial statements. This is their income statement right here. So one thing that I look for is revenue. Revenue, as you can see, in general, it's going up year after year. And this is all in Japanese yen in the millions. So this is all in millions, not thousands. So anyway, revenue is going up year after year for the past 5 years. That's a good thing. Let's see, operating income, it's positive. In general, it went up. It went down a little bit in 2016. As you can see, 2015 it was 164,000. Now it's 127,000. But the main thing the main reason why this doesn't concern me is because the Uniqlo stores, the company itself is expanding. They're opening new stores. So what I did is, you can't see this on this document right here, but if you go to their actual website and you take a look at the actual statement that they filed, their actual report, the whole report, you can see here they have their financial summary. This is from 2006 to all the way, it goes down here to 2015. Over here at the bottom of the report you can see things like total number of stores, total sales floor space, total number of full-time employees. So this is from 2006 to 2015. As you can see right here, total number of stores increasing. Sales floor space in square meters also increasing as well. Full-time employees also increasing as well. And also for 2010 to 2015, scroll down here, same thing, numbers are going up. So that means that the business is growing. That's the main important thing. So it's because of this that this drop in operating income, like their total profits that they made, it's okay, because all of that money, that decrease in operating income, they're spending it on themselves. They're improving their business. They're expanding. They're buying new stores. They're paying more employees. They're making more product. They're growing, which is a good thing. That's what we want. Anyway, what else? That's it. Other income, net income, total income. It's positive. In general, net income last year, it was 117,000 on this chart, and then went down to 54,000. But it's okay because they're expanding. It's all right. Their income is still in the positive. They're still making money. They're not going to go away anytime soon, so it's all good. That's the income statement. Next, balance sheet. Let's take a look at that. Balance sheet. Let's see. Cash and cash equivalents. Here we go. Total cash, actually. Total cash. You can see that the total cash that the company has, like in their bank account, it's going up since 2012. Up. Company is growing. They're making money. Total current assets, it's up. One thing to take a look at is total assets right here. Total assets is like their cash and the value of their buildings, the value of everything that they own and they could probably sell. And I also want to take a look at this compared to the total liabilities. This is kind of like their bills that they have to pay. So total assets here are here, total liabilities. So total assets here are greater than their total liabilities. That's a good thing. That means that they can they have more like cash than they do bills. So if they needed to pay a lot of their bills really quickly, they should be able to do so. Also, one thing to take a look at is total cash versus total current liabilities. These are like bills that need to be paid soon. So as you can see for let's see, 2016, take a look at 2016. Right now their total cash that they have in the bank account, about 570,000. Total current liabilities, bills that they need to pay, are about 338,000. So they would be able to pay off their bills pretty easily since they have all that cash in the bank account. They're not going to go bankrupt anytime soon. And also cash flow statement. Cash flow statement, this is money that they're getting from their business. In general, it's going up, it's good. You can also take a look at it on their actual file that they created. Where is that? Free cash flow. This is very important right here. Free cash flow, as you can see, in 2006, it was about 15,000. This is like free cash flow. Think of it as like you make a lot of revenue. You sell your clothes. You get money. You pay all your bills, your taxes. At the end of the day, you have all of this cash left over from the revenue that you made. So it was 15. Where was it? Free cash flow 15,000 in 2006, and this is, where is this? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth from the bottom from this red line. Let's find that red line on the next page. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this line right here, free cash flow. Let's see, it's good, positive. It went down a little bit in 2011, went back up in 2012 and more, down in 2013, 2014, 15. It's going up. So it goes up and down a bit, but in general their cash flow is positive, and also their revenue is going up, and also they're expanding. Those things outweigh their variance in cash flow. So overall, cash flow is good. Company looks good from their financial documents. Also, I like to take a look at the stocks chart. This is a chart of fast retailing, Uniqlo, and also the S&P 500. From what you can see here, the red line here, this is the S&P. The blue line is Uniqlo stock. So I like to think of the S&P 500 as the market average, like the average stock performance, and this is the individual stock. So as you can see right here, like from when it started, since when you were able to buy Uniqlo, at the beginning they were at about average, and then in maybe like 2012, beginning of 2012, they started to perform better than average. You can see the gap increasing. So this is them beating the average. Average is down here, Uniqlo is up here, and then at around maybe 2015, middle of 2015, for some unknown reason, people are stupid, stock crashes, and then they go down to the market average. So now they start performing at the same level as the S&P 500, as the market average. Then it goes up, and now it's starting to converge to the average again, so they're performing at around average. So this is if you bought the stock back when they first opened, back in, what was it, like November 7th, 2008. And let's take a look at it for the past 5 years. So if you bought it 5 years ago, right now it's about the same as the market, roughly. It's actually underperforming the market, and maybe let's go a little shorter. Past, this is what, 2013. Let's go a little more. Like 2014. Right now it's 2017, so about 3 years. So if you bought the company 3 years ago, as you can see right now, the company is doing below average performance. You would have been down about, what, 13%. The average would have been up 30%. But the thing is, I think this is a good company to invest in right now. It's at a cheap price, in my opinion, because if you take a look at the financial documents that I showed you earlier, their profits are increasing, they're expanding, their what do you call that? Their products, they fit extremely well, excellent fit. I can't find any other companies that do fit well. There are some other companies that I think do fit well, like H&M, but in my opinion, H&M has already fully expanded. Uniqlo, they're currently growing right now. They have room for growth. H&M, I think they don't really have much room for growth anymore. But anyway, in short, these are the reasons why I think Uniqlo is a great investment to get into right now. I think in the future that their stock price can go up, and that they'll be able to grow as a company in the future. So yeah, this information, when did I record this? This is as of, is there like a website I can go to show you guys today's date? Today's date. This is, well, I'm in Tokyo right now. This is about 8 p.m. Japan time, Sunday, February 19th. So let's see where this stock goes from this date. But yeah, anyway, that's everything for today. If you guys have any questions about Uniqlo or stock investing in general, feel free to post them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys next time.